Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a way to simplify your trading journey on Deriv, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you something truly powerful. We're looking at PivotCore.net, a dedicated automated trading platform designed specifically for Deriv users. Manual trading can be stressful. Constantly watching charts and worrying about the right entry point, that's where PivotCore comes in. It's an auto trading solution that does the heavy lifting for you. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a specific strategy, set a clear goal, and show you exactly how this platform operates so you can decide if it's the right tool for your portfolio. Today, we are focusing on the digit differ strategy. For those who might be new, digit differs is a high probability strategy where you predict that the last digit of the price will not be a specific number. The beauty of using PivotCore for this is the execution. Instead of you clicking buttons manually and letting emotions get in the way, the bot follows a strict mathematical logic. We aren't just guessing, we're using the platform's automation to catch the right market ticks. My plan for this session is very specific. I am going to run 10 trades, aiming for a 90% success rate. Before we hit the start button, let's look at the PivotCore interface. It's incredibly clean and user-friendly. You don't need to be a programmer or a pro trader to use this. You simply connect your Deriv account, choose your strategy, in this case digit differs, and set your parameters. I've set my stake and my target. What I love about PivotCore.net is the stability. It's built to handle the API connection smoothly, ensuring there's no lag between the signal and the trade execution. This is crucial when you're dealing with digits where every second counts. Now, let's start the bot. Watch how it analyzes the last digit pattern.